So today I'm going to put up two of these blinds. They're from IKEA. I'm sure I'm going to pronounce this incorrectly. It's called the IKEA SKOGSKLÖVER. And on her window, as you can see. Okay, so I just opened the box. So basically two things come out. You've got the main assembly here, which contains the blind. And then it comes with a separate little box. And this is just the bracket hardware. Give you a better look. So there's two of these. Then the blinds come with some instructions on them. So according to the instructions, the brackets need to be about 5 centimeters from the edge of the blind assembly, so that's about 2 inches. So it would be basically in about here. So first I'm gonna figure out how I want to mount this. I could either go right on the lip here, which would extend this a little further out, or I could go above it. I could probably go up here too, but let me see. I have options. If I put it right above the windowsill, it'll grab above the frame. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and attach these first, just so I can use them as a guide. So first let me just show you. So I did, as you can see, I've put the bracket on here. It's really easy. This is a spring tension held. So you just slide in this back part in first, hold that tension in, then let go, and it's holding. And it can actually move around a little bit pretty easily here. I don't think, based on what I'm seeing, it doesn't have to be exactly 2 inches, but it's definitely a good thing to aim for. I'm actually, instead of going up here, I'm gonna go in here because it looks like this blind will fit perfectly in here, and I can actually just screw the brackets in to the top here, and it just so happens that if they bump right against here, it seems like the perfect spot. So I don't have to do a lot of measuring. I think I can just eyeball this. Now IKEA doesn't give you the hardware for this, so I have just located something that I think will fit. You guys just use your own judgment. I'm doing a starter hole here. You want to be careful when you're doing these. You only have one shot, really. Otherwise, you can screw up the hole. I'll tighten that. Okay, that's good. more snug than I expected. Yep, a little more snug. Looks like I need to come out a little bit. I should have shimmed it up. This side comes in, but there's just not as much room. It's almost there though. Maybe if I go in from this side first. Nope. It's just not enough. Alright guys, I made a mistake. I need to shim it out. Maybe come out a 1/4 inch. Okay. I corrected my mistake. Let's see if it worked. I used these little rubber pieces to kind of give me some space. It's a little shim. So much for my advice about getting it right the first time. But I managed to cover the holes, so I think I'm okay. It should work now. Yep, now I have enough room. Now if I push these in like before, it locks in place. And here we go. Here's a view from the bottom, so I just grab it here, let it go. Works perfectly. Now I just gotta pull this off, and I'll finish the other one and show you the finished product. Okay, well there you have it. So if you just gently tug it, it'll go all the way up. And here's letting it go halfway. I feel like the tension in these is a tiny bit different. You can see this one seems a little bit slower, right? Still, good enough.